I want to talk about why you can get any tech job you want, but what used to get people tech jobs won't work anymore. Many years ago, people would say things like learn a little Linux, learn a little networking, learn a little Windows, and you'll be able to get an entry-level job. Where now you hear people saying, and it's not going to work, just learn a little bit AWS, learn a touch Azure, learn a little Linux, and learn a little Terraform, and you're just going to be fine. Well, the answer is it's not going to work anymore knowing a little and learning a little bit about a lot of things, and here's the reason. It used to be that I needed a lot of entry-level people. I needed a lot of entry-level people to rack and stack servers and cable things along the way, install operating systems. I needed a lot of staff, but a couple of things changed. One is as we migrated towards cloud computing, and this means private clouds or public clouds, we can now have a DevOps engineer write an infrastructure script in maybe a week. And that infrastructure as code script can deploy what 30 to 50 other people would have done in, say, 6 months. So because of that, we just don't need a lot of that junior level staffing to do those junior level things. Now, it got worse when AI started to become more of a reality for many organizations. And AI is better in most cases than those entry level workers that tried to learn a little bit of a lot of things. Don't worry, you can still get any job you want. I want you to take the Napoleon Hill approach. Napoleon Hill wrote this book, Think and Grow Rich, and he gave some of the best advice ever. Get the right level of education and training so you don't have to start the bottom and work your way up. You can start mid-career. What I want you to do is get the right skills. Get the best skills for your job and be in the top 25%. Because that way no one cares that you lack experience. You have to be in the top 25% of the people that already have the job. So that means get some help, get some professional education to do what you want. And instead of starting on the bottom, which no longer exists, you'll start mid-career. That can have a multi-million-dollar impact in your career anyway over the course of, say, a 30 to 40-year career. So it'll give you a better financial impact, but it's going to be the only way to get hired in a world with AI and in a world with cloud computing and other automation technologies that exist. Go out there. Get what you want, just get better than you thought you could, and I know you can do it. If you'd like to learn a little more about these types of things or have questions about building your technology career, you can join me on an architecture webinar. I hope to see you in one of these sessions. I really want to help you build your career and go after that great tech career because it's some of the best things in the world.